uh, let here I am considering a cube. Like this is square, constructing another square like this. Connect these. So simple. This is a cube and this is the point, this side, this is the axis, x-axis, and this is the axis, y-axis, and along this side this is the axis, z-axis. My dear student, this is what cap, I cap. Along this side this you have j cap, along this side you have k cap. From this point to this one, this is your vector, given vector. This is vector A. इस एंड से इस एंड, इसकी प्रोजेक्शन आप नीचे डालें तो इस प्लेन में आएगी. दिस इज बेसिकली दिस प्लेन, ये जो प्लेन है नीचे, फ्लोर जिसको आप कह देते हो, दिस इज एक्स जेड प्लेन. और एक्स जेड प्लेन में इसकी ये शेडो आप नीचे ले सकते हैं. दिस इज द शेडो ऑफ द अबव वेक्टर. इस नए वेक्टर को आपने हम दे सकते हैं दिस न्यू वेक्टर, दिस नेम्ड, आई एम हियर नेमिंग a dash vector, suppose a dash vector, and this a dash vector is, this is what, this is vector a z k cap, and this is vector projection of this along x direction, this is ax I, and this is also axi. This vector is ax I cap. So this is also ax I cap. So by triangle law you can say this ax az k cap, this ax I cap is equal to a dash vector in this triangle. A dash vector equal to az k cap plus ax I cap. This is, you can say, equation 1. And my dear student, you can take this triangle, this one, and then this one. This vector, इसकी प्रोजेक्शन y डायरेक्शन में, ये वेक्टर कौन सा हुआ, a y j cap. Therefore this is also a y j cap. Now you can choose this triangle. I am choosing, you can see this vector, triangle law, this vector same order में, then this in opposite order, then you can say vector A equal to, ये नीचे का जो एक्स जेड प्लेन में वेक्टर है, a dash vector plus of this a y, this a y j cap. This is a dash vector is this one, using equation 1. This is equation 2nd, and you can apply this equation in second. You have what I am writing, vector A equal to, this a dash vector is what, a z k cap plus a x I cap. This is your a dash, and plus of this a y j cap. If you finalize, you can write what I am writing, a x I cap, a y j cap, and a z k cap. Very simple. In 2 dimension you already studied this a vector is equal to axi ayj, but in 3 dimension it's so clear, vector a is equal to axi cap plus ayj cap az k cap. and its magnitude you can write vector A, its magnitude is given by vector A like this, modulus of vector A, then they ax square, ay square and az square, its root is similar to this. Let I am telling this vector, given vector making an angle alpha with x direction, beta with y direction, and this angle is gamma. Vector A making an alpha angle with x axis, beta with y axis, gamma with z axis. If you take this alpha, you can write in this triangle cos of alpha. This triangle, what I am saying, this is right angle. Cos of alpha. This is what ax base by hypotenuse. hypotenuse वेक्टर ए का मैग्नीट्यूड, तो ए एक्स क्या आपका, ए एक्स क्या आ गया, ए कोस अल्फा. सिमिलरली व्हाट आई एम राइटिंग, ए एक्स इज इक्वल टू ए कोस अल्फा, ए वाई इज इक्वल टू ए कोस बीटा and az is equal to a cos gamma. If you put all here, what you have, if you scale this equation, you have a square along this side, ax square, ay square, az square is equal to, ax square means a cos alpha square, a cos beta square and a cos gamma square. You can take a square outside, inside you have cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma. This side we have a square, cancel with this. The final equation is what? Cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma equal to 1. So very important equation, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. Here alpha, beta and gamma are the angles vector A making with x, y and z direction, and this cos alpha, cos of beta and cos of gamma, these are directions cosines. इनको डायरेक्शन कोसाइन बोलते हैं.